Last night we had a remarkable sunset, brilliant and rich in color, here on Krabi Island. So today we're visiting all these islands in front of us. This is our captain.
Wow, and the water is so warm. It's early in the morning and it's warm.
This is our boat.
My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. Face it, you think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighter. Throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this.
This lagoon, it's a national park, so you have to pay 600 Thai baht, which is like 300 per person. It's so beautiful right now.
The water is a little bit polluted as far as I see. And maybe you have to hurry up because in 3 years we don't know what's going to happen here.
Even in a year we don't know what's going to happen.
Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flames. I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
So all this water will be gone at 2 o'clock. So we have to be out of here soon.
hanging from the ceiling, trying not to look away. Tired to believe it, try to let you know it's okay. Every word that's coming out feels like a lie. Isn't too hard to figure out how this will die. Ooh.
So 2 p.m. all the water that you see here, it's gone. It's all sand, which probably is very cool, but we won't be here 2 p.m.
Without us, maybe I didn't do enough. Maybe I could have held you all out through the rough. Now it's not enough. Without us.
Some sort for madam, for teacher.
Perfect.
You're welcome. And also serve with pumpkin sauce. Do you like that?
Thank you. So this is our last meal in Thailand. So we're leaving shortly. It's beautiful to hear. Cheers to the next adventure.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Baby, while we're young.